Hi everyone, welcome back to Noun News and Updates. Today what I will be sharing with you is how to access your TMA and do it seamlessly. As you all know, everything have changed and there is the steps you need to take before you can be able to access your TMA from TMA 1 to TMA 3. And today I'm going to share it with you. If you are a new student, this is the right channel. If you are a returning student as well, this is also the right channel for you to get those things you are also looking out for. So firstly, you need to go to your browser and type this. You see this I share with you. Just hold on. You need to type this. See where my this arrow is. Just hold on. See this thing. You type elen.nou elen.nou.edu.ng. That is the URL that is going to use elen.nou.edu.ng. So that is the URL that is going to use. And so after that, you take it to this page. This is the home page. What you need to do is to come here, click on login. So it will show you something like this, that you should put your matric number and password. And firstly you need to set up your matric number, set up this portal, activate it if you are a new student. But if you are a returning student, you don't need to do that. Just go ahead with your previous login details that you have used to log in and do your TMA before now. So the same login details will access it. But if you're a new student, kindly watch our previous video on how to activate this portal and log in successfully. So let's say returning student, I need to log in and put in my password. So after you put in your matric number and your password, it will take you to this page. So before now, you will requested to put your MFA, that is a token will be sent to your student email address, and before you can log in. But recently it was removed. So for now, you don't need to put in the code. Maybe in the future it might be used as well. So once you put in your username, which is your matric number, and your password, it might request for a code and to be sent to your student email. You need to activate your student email. It's very important, not only for the code but for other information and announcements that you will need. So this is the portal. After you log in with your matric number and password, then what you need to do, if you are using a device, I prefer to use the device today because I believe most students are using their devices to log in. So I'll show you on the desktop. So after that, you click on this three hamburger on the left corner. This three hamburger, this one. You click on it, and it will take it to. Once you click on it, it will show something like this. Then click on my courses. After that, it will load up your courses for you. You see the courses. Do you see? On your own you might be saying 0%, 0%, 0%. These are the radar and the status of your work. So before you can get this status reading like this, you need to participate in the discussion forum. You need to join some classes and all sorts. So let's just use this first course as an example. Just click on it. So this is the course now. It's 79. So this is what you're going to see. You're going to see meet your facilitator introduction, virtual IB, and also before you can get those scores. So first you need to check in on all this one after the other and click on, once you have done it, click on mark as done for your reader. All this place you will see, let me go back. Okay, all this place you will see mark as done because you have marked it as done. That's why it's saying done. Once you click on it, your reader here, this reader will increase. Let me show you. This reader that is here, it will increase. This one, this, hold on. Yeah, this one that the arrow is pointing at, it will increase whenever you click on mark as done on any of these button, any of these. So you need to participate in all these and click on mark as done for your reader to increase to that. Then this virtual also. So this is where you're going to see a discussion forum. Before you can access that TMA, you need to come to this week 1 and you will see something like discussion forum. This person has participated in a discussion forum. That's why the thing is marked. Can you see that? You see now, once I click, this is discussion forum 1. Please note, most courses have discussion forum 1 to discussion forum 4. For you to access all your TMA 1 to 3, you need to take part in the discussion forum 1 to 4 and click on mark as done. So you see, for your reader to read, you need to click on all these markers. It has shall already clicked on it. That is why you can see done. So let's just take this as an example. This is the first courses. I'm using this as an example. So before now, can you see? Before now, if she have participated in the discussion forum, it show you that you have done something on the discussion forum and it will marked. Let us say this person now. See this one. He has participated in all the other one, but discussion forum, I think this person have not participated in it. That's why I say mark from 1. It has not yet to show done. Once you do that, you just do something for I use this as an example. You need to answer. This is the question from the facilitator. You need to answer them, and it's just for you to help yourself and be able to read. If you don't know it, you need to just read your book and do that. But in a nutshell, let's just use something and participate in this so that you can be able to take a TMA. Without the discussion 1, you cannot take TMA at all. So let me just show you something before I even click on this. Let's say this is for discussion form 1. You will see that the TMA will not open because what? Let me go back to my courses. I'm trying to explain it one after the other so that you will not if I rush it, some people will make a lot of mistakes. They say, oh, the same thing, they do all this same and TMA did not show. You click on your course, the one you want to take the TMA as well. So you do all this thing and click on mark as done and you come to week 1. See this week 1 that I clicked on now. This week 1. Then you come to this discussion forum, but it's not going to work because I think that one has not been done. So see the TMA. This is the open. This is the TMA. You have to tell me something now. Just hold on. So it's telling me that. Can you see it here? It's telling me that it's not going to be open for me. If I click on it, nothing is going to happen. Can you see nothing is happening? Because I have not participated in the discussion forum. I have not done anything in the discussion forum. I might have done another one, but this discussion forum 1 is meant for this TMA 1. Then for me to do that, it's easy for me. Instead of that, it's easy for me to go from here than navigating from that place. But it will help you out if you have all those questions. Answer them because it might be likely questions that you will see in your exams. So I'm giving you an hint now. Just take it. Those questions you are seeing in discussion forum, that the facilitators are putting out there. Take it very serious. Read your book, solve the questions, and maybe have it in your jotter or your note taking, and read it thoroughly. So I've clicked. Let me go back so that you can understand how I get it. I come to my courses here. I have to take my time on this because it's very crucial. A lot of people are reaching out to us and the pressure is more. So we need to like take our time. We keep explaining and explaining. Sorry about this. So you click on the course you want to take the TMA on. Once you click on this course, it will load up. It will load up something like this. And you see, no, let me just click. It load up something like this on you. So introduction and all those calls. This is where week one is. In the week one we have discussion from one, week two discussion from two, week three discussion from three, and so revision discussion from three, and so on. So before we can do that, just hold on. Please give me a sec. Just give me a minute. Okay, so I said to be easier, you need to for you to quickly take your TMA, you come to this TMA section. The revision, you click on this TMA section, it's going to load up and it's going to tell you that you have not participated in the discussion forum, which you have to do. So what you just need to do, click on this, it's a link, it will take you to the discussion forum where I was telling you that's week one before now. It take you to this discussion forum where I was telling you this week one. And how to participate, you see a lot of students have done one thing or the other and replies to other students and all sorts. So let us say for now maybe you registered late and you've not been able to like um acquainted with the course materials very well and you want to like participate. Please take this discussion, these questions, take them seriously. There might be likely questions that might come out and it will help you if you take it. Then I just say this is how you're going to do it. This is the facilitated question. Click on reply. Can you see this reply? This one, this first one that is here. Let me show you. Please let me just take my time because we have a lot of new students and I need to like take my this is it. This is the reply that you're going to click on. So once you click on this reply, it will show you something like this. A box will pop up. Type in your question. You type in your answer there. There's might be a sentence, might be full answers from this discussion. But for now, I can go ahead. Person, you can go ahead and go and answer those questions. So let me just go ahead and put in something. Okay. Let me just put in something. So that's all done. So I just put in this. Yeah, so I just put in this and I click on post to the forum. You will see, let me show you something. You see this place, it's saying my phone is that means I've not participated. That's why it's showing like this. Once I click on post to the forum now, you will see that it will change. Yeah, can you see it has changed? See it there. Can you see that it has changed? So this have changed. So you can now take TMA 1. So you see, so now I can go back to my courses and click on TMA1 and you see that TMA1 will definitely open. You see that has changed. So if you are scrolling and see that the thing is too long, just click on this arrow, it will take it up immediately. Then do now take the TMA1, just go back to your course. My course is let it load. Then once it load, you will just click on the TMA and you will see that it will open. That is exactly how you can do it on this. This is the first one we're talking about. I'm using this first course as an example so that you get it. You click on it, it's going to load up. Can you see? Can you see the magic that that thing that is showing is no more there? So if you click on TMA1 now, it will open up. Can you see? That's open up, and I can take my TMA. So for new students, you can take your TMA. You can answer 1 to this is it. You can answer maybe 1 to 5, and maybe you got distracted and you quickly want to attend to something. You can close it and come back and do it, but make sure that you finish your TMA before the closing date. This is exactly how you'll be able to access your TMA. Without the discussion forum, you won't be able to access the TMA. So I hope this will really help out both on the new student and the old student that are finding it hard to navigate the new TMA sections and TMA. Can you see? I've closed it, I've logged out, and it's saying that continue your attempt. So once you come back, just click on it as well and finish it up. So I hope this is going to help you out, and I believe this has added a value and informative instructions to you. If you like this video and you find it useful, kindly give us a thumb up, like, subscribe, and share it to other students who are finding it difficult to access their TMA. Thank you, and see you in the other videos. Bye.